them saying 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. 5, 6. So they count the syllables, and who has the most syllables, the strongest voice wins.
Okay. Well, we're here live. We're here live at Atlanta. Bird singing competition. It's a close contest between that one there just singing and that one there just about singing. There, time up all over. This is the judge, right? So the guy in the blue, he's a judge, okay? The guy in the blue. He's judging a certain amount of birds. I'm not sure how many yet, but he listens to how many syllables the birds sing, like that. Guy over there, he's trying to coax his birds to sing more than 6 syllables this time. How you train these birds? I have no idea. Mainly Guam kit hen. Come. Wadikap. How are you? Kunni nok? The guy in the blue, he's counting at 6. Jet, 7. 9. Oh, I only got 9. Didn't quite get to 10. 10 khánh. Ah. 10 khánh. Sugar and an electric thermo pot. Cool. Look what you could win. Glass crystal. Is it what's that famous make of crystal? Because you would. Yeah. Oh, oh. Food mixer. With coffee grinder. Wow. The pot, the silver pot's got a hole in it. He puts it on the top of the water, and the water fills up. And when it sinks, it's end of time. Good idea. Here we go, timing, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Diddle, diddle, diddle. Oh. Set them free! I don't know, but number 41's good. he's going to be put off singing because there's a little insect flying around his cage and he just wants to eat it. Yeah, it's coming down to the final stages now. It's getting really exciting and tense. There's red crosses going all through the numbers now. These birds, they just don't know how much to sing, you know? The competition is fierce. I heard one bird, he got up to 10 syllables. Amazing. Because you see this guy right now, he's going to come along and 32. Yeah, I think that one's still in, 32. Sorry. Ah, I got told off. I got told off. Not allowed in. Not allowed in there. Mess around with the birds. Oh dear. Get off. Oh, lucky I didn't go right up to the cage and hello, little birdie. They take these seriously over here, don't they? I mean, especially when you can win a rice cooker, because you can't get them over here, rice cookers. Nobody's got rice cookers over here, have they? 32, see, he's still going there. Okay, looks like, yeah, he's had 4 goes. They've had 4 goes. And then they add them up. So the numbers are just to identify the bird. And then the score sheet's behind. They have four attempts at singing syllables. There's another one. And there's another one. The Thai word for bird is knock. 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 So now only 3 bird left. Are they? 3 bird left now. Here. Ah, she's the winning bird. She's here. She's got the winning bird. And so. Hello, bird. Oh, beautiful. So I. He's a winner. Knock number 1. And there, you? She's gone for the fan. She's gone for the fan. Good choice. It's all 16 inches. Well done. Well done, bird. Oh. So I think there's a consolation prize. It was just like coffee mix for the bird that didn't sing much. So good day today. This happens roughly every 2 weeks. Big gathering like this is probably once a month. They do have cash prizes as well sometimes. Okay? All right.